The terrifying truth modern longevity doctors admit is that your birth certificate is a functional lie. While the calendar marks time, your cells are living an entirely different reality that could be fast-tracking you toward chronic disease. Imagine realizing your 40-year-old body is performing like a sedentary 65-year-old. This is the massive invisible gap. This gap is fueling a multi-billion-dollar biohacking revolution, moving us past the era of looking good and into measuring deep. To truly test where you stand, you must look beyond the standard physical exam. We utilize the Horvath clock and advanced epigenetic testing to measure your biological clock. This looks at DNA methylation, the chemical on-off switches on your genome, acting like a cellular odometer to show your lifestyle's mileage. Dive into, quote, radioactive markers like C-reactive protein for systemic inflammation and HbA1c, which tracks sugar, quote, glazing your proteins. It's not just about blood work. Americans are obsessed with functional benchmarks to predict remaining decades. VO2 max is the gold standard, where your oxygen processing capacity acts as a crystal ball for your remaining decades of life. The grip strength test is now recognized by neurologists as a vital sign for both brain health and muscular integrity. If you're on the wrong side of the curve, longevity science says your biological clock is actually plastic. You can de-age by triggering cellular autophagy through a 16-hour fasting window, acting as a trash collection service for your zombie cells. Subjecting your body to hormetic stress, like 180-degree saunas and 40-degree cold plunges, forces your mitochondria to repair themselves. This is more than just health advice. It's a survival manual where a sedentary lifestyle acts as a biological accelerator. Integrate high-intensity interval training, or IT, to protect your telomeres and preserve cellular youth. Optimize your vitamin D3 and omega-3 levels to shore up your cellular membranes and improve overall health. Treat your sleep environment as a high-performance recovery lab, essential for all biological repair and regeneration. The data doesn't lie, and the clock is ticking. The question is how much biological currency you have left to spend. By acting on these protocols, you aren't just adding years to your life, you are adding health span to your years. Stop being a passive passenger and become the lead programmer of your own longevity. Measure, hack, and master your biological clock today.